In this video series, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog for free and start earning from it. So we shall create a blog that looks like the Eugine Tech site itself, which is here. Let me show you. So this is the kind of site we are going to create, where you can post your content and ideas, then monetize it with ads and start earning. So to get started, open your browser and you need a Google account. So I hope you already have a Google account. So we shall search for blogger on Google, then click this first link, blogger.com. Then what we need is to sign in. After signing in, it will ask you to create a blog. So we are going to give our blog a title, and maybe we shall call it blog tutorial. Then click next. Choose an address for your blog. So I'm going to call it Tech Tutorial. And even if you see here that your blog address is not available, for instance, if you put like this and they say blog address is not available, make sure you use another kind of word. That means that address is already taken. So after that, click next, then choose a display name. So this is the name for your account that will be appearing on your posts. When you make a post, it is signed by your name, which is the name on your Google account. So, but you can choose another name. So I can just call myself admin and then click finish. So this is it, our blog is now created and we can view it from here, view blog. And that is how it looks like at the moment. There is nothing, and on the left you can see my profile that I just created. Yeah, and that is it. So we go back to blogger.com and we have some options here. We have the stats where you can see the statistics. So at the moment we have 0 followers, 0 posts and 0 comments. Of the comments, those will be the comments on your posts. The earnings, that is where you will be able to apply for monetization. Have pages, have the layout, and right now I'm going to show you how we can edit the layout of the blog. So far this is the blog. It looks like this, and it is hosted on a blogspot domain. Then later I will show you how to add a custom domain so that you have your personal domain on your blog. But first we shall set up the blog. So this is how it is looking like at the moment. We have this gadget here and this gadget. So these features on the blog, they are called gadgets. We have the profile gadget, we have the report abuse gadget, then we have the attribution gadget down here. So I'm going to edit some of the gadgets. For example, the report abuse gadget, I don't need it on the blog, so I can remove it by, where is the report abuse? It is here. Okay, click on this pencil icon, then we can turn it off and click save. Now if we refresh the page, you can see it is gone. But I don't think anyone will be interested in using a theme or template that looks like this. And that's why I want to show you how to change the theme. So click on the theme, and then we can choose one of the templates that are available here by Blogger. For example, let's choose this one. And click apply, and the theme will be applied. So if I refresh, you see it is looking like this. So I'm going to add some posts, so you see how posts look like. We shall cover this topic later in full, so I'm going to just call it post 1 and say this is a test post. Just make this one bigger and give it a font and publish. So when we come back here, we can see our post. So that is how you use the default themes that are available on Blogger. But now, to create a site like the one I just showed you, you just need to use a custom template. There are premium Blogger templates that you can find on the web. For example, there's a site called B Templates, and from here you can download templates that you can just upload to your site. So if you go on Google and search B Templates, then here you can get free Blogger templates. You just choose any that you like. So for example, I like this grid star. I'm going to click on download, then free download. So grid star is downloaded to my local storage. Now I'll open my file explorer, then go to downloads, grid star, and extract this file. Then here is gridstar.xml file. Now that's what we need to add to our site. So click on, when you're on the theme, then click on this down arrow and click on restore. That's how you import a theme. Then click on upload, then go to the downloads folder, go to gridstar, then click on that gridstar.xml file and click open. So preview is not available for custom themes, but now we can click on view blog and see how it looks like. So our blog now looks like this. So that's basically how you upload any custom theme that you would like. So as I just showed you earlier, the theme we are going to use is not this one. I just put this to show you how you can add a custom theme. So I'm going to give you the themes. Go to my Telegram channel, there's a link in the description, and then that's where you can download some of my premium themes that I have for you. The theme we are going to use is called Lights SEO Pro. Actually, Sora SEO 2. This is the theme we are going to use. So download it, and then I'm going to add it to this. So I follow the same process. Go to customize, then restore, upload, go to the Telegram desktop downloads, and this is the template. It's taking a little bit to upload, and it is uploaded now. If I click on view blog once more, this is how it looks like, and now this is what we are going to actually set up. Okay. So in the next part of the video, we are going to look at how to edit the layout and customize the gadgets. Now we are going to look at how to customize our home page and add some gadgets and remove those that are not necessary. So like you may see like RSS which you do not use, and all these that come with the template that we don't need. We're going to see how to remove them. But before that, there's something actually we did not do in part 1, which is adding a description for our blog. So on this blogger dashboard, come to settings and then click on the description and add the description you would like to add for your blog. A description is like this. When you search your website on Google, you'll be seeing a description for your site, and also we have a favicon. Each website has a favicon. For example, Google has this little icon that even appears at the top of the browser when you load the site. Like this is the favicon for Google, and this is the favicon for Blogger, this is the favicon for Gmail. And to add a favicon, also after adding your description, you're going to come here on the settings again, then favicon here, click on this, and then you just need a square image that is at least 512 by 512 pixels, and then you upload it. It should be very small in size. So I have one for this tutorial here, and I'm going to upload it, then save. Okay, that is it. If I now reload this page, you should see a favicon. Okay, it is not showing, but I'm going to get this and paste it in an incognito tab. Let's see. Okay, maybe it will update after a few minutes. So let's continue with editing the gadgets. What I'm going to do now is to maybe split my screen, so in that way you can see everything we shall be doing. So now I'm going to go to layout, and we shall start from the top of the theme. Here we have this responsive advertisement, but for now we are going to remove it. So let's go to header ads widget and turn it off. Then mobile logo settings. This is the SEO thing. You can upload your own image or just simply remove it. Wait. Okay, let me just leave it like this, but turn it off, then save. If you refresh this page, you can see now the thing at the top has been removed. Now we have the ticker and other gadgets that we can play around with. So the blog header, blog tutorial, and this is the image that shows on desktop. We continue down. We have another ad space I see. From ad stop, I'm going to turn this one off. Then this one, just remove it. The blog row, we don't need it. Then the pages menu, also we remove it. The hot widget, we shall leave it on, and even the ticker. Now what we need to work on is the link list, but we are not going to work on it now because I haven't already shown you how to work on menus. We shall come back to that, and when we reach at the part where we have to work on menus. So the social plugin, that is where we have the YouTube and so on. So Facebook, you add your Facebook link from your Facebook. So mine is fb.com/Eugine Tech. Click save. Twitter, you add your Twitter handle. You can just go to Twitter and you copy the link to your profile. Click save. And these ones which you don't need, like the RSS, you can remove them. Pinterest, I don't have a Pinterest. Instagram, I don't want to add that one. Then YouTube, you're going to add YouTube. So that's our YouTube link. Click save and save. So subscribe to us. The social widget, then subscribe to us. I think this is the same, but I'm going to just remove this one. I don't need it. Then add space, we shall create more ad spaces when we have ads, so remove these ones. Popular posts, leave it on. And labels, you like to show labels as a crowd, they're going to show all labels, and click save. Have now our place for the blog posts, which is here. Let me first refresh and see. So far we have reached. This is the hot posts widget. This place will contain, it will contain the most viewed posts on the site. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Once you have made some posts, they will appear like this on that position. So now we are on the body of the posts, which is here. Post by author name. You can choose whether you want to show who posted it or not, and show the publish time. The publish time looks like this one. So like for example, this post was published on 7th of September. If you want it on, and then you can choose which of these settings you want. Yeah, that is it. I'll just leave the defaults. The blog archive, I don't really want to show it. So the blog archive is something like, it's not part of this template, so we're just going to remove it. Featured post, leave it on. About, we shall do an about menu, then about me also, remove it. Pages, remove. Put abuse, remove that one. Then remove the attribution. Yeah, that is it for now. Then we click on save. Okay, now we can refresh and see where we are so far. So now we have finished editing our layout, and next we shall create posts and pages that will populate in our template, and that will be in the next part of our video. For the next part and those other parts that will follow in this blogger tutorial, the link will be in the description, or you can just check out the full playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.